Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. It may seem like common sense, but it is vital to record the parties' names correctly when drafting a legal document. Putting an agreement in writing allows you to clarify the terms of your agreement. So by ensuring the information is accurate, you can avoid a potential dispute from arising later on. When completing an agreement or contract, take the time to identify the parties by their full legal name and location of their current address. Once this is done, you can nominate a shortened name that you will use to refer to them throughout the rest of the document. Companies or corporations are also capable of entering into contracts. When identifying a company in a document, you must state its full name, including its ACN or Australian Company Number, and registered address. Ensure you cross-check this information with the company's articles of association. Another important issue to consider is correctly identifying the state or territory of lodgement. For example, use AAA Pool Supplies Proprietary Limited, a Queensland Gold Coast Proprietary Limited company. Remember, the better you specify the company, the less a chance for misunderstanding later on down the track. Different conventions may apply if one or both parties are a non-legal entity. For example, for registered businesses, you will need to list the owner of the business name as the person who is making the agreement. For partnership arrangements, you will need to refer to the terms of the relevant partnership agreement. This will determine whether one or all partners have the authority to enter into the contract. For more information on recording parties' names correctly when drafting a legal document, check out our article linked below.